Alright, finally unloaded the truck. And now, this is my apartment. So, this is what we're dealing with. There's been 3 people living here before me, so it is set up. So just wait. It'll be clean in 3, 2, 1. There you go, all cleaned up. So this is the kitchen. We have like 3 blenders because I guess we just love making shakes and stuff. So yeah, this is set up. We got microwave, crock pot, everything. This is our pantry. That TV is soon to be going over there. The little one is. And then right there, that door D, that is my roommate Jack's room. Washer dryer. My beautiful women's bicycle that I brought. But yeah, if you step in, keep on going. This is the main room. This is where everyone hangs out. And yeah, we got 2 TVs set up. Xbox One. And the view outside is pretty much the same as my room. So, nice sunny day out here in Tallahassee. So, this is my room. I have all of my belongings all over the place. BMX bike. But I mean, pretty cool window to look out. I guess. I don't know. But yeah, this is the room. Before you know it, it'll be stacked and full of beds and desks and tables and all of that stuff. So, that's it. Good morning, you guys. Ooh, it's sunny. And I decided I'm gonna take today, work on my room. I've got my mattress laid out. It's one of those new age mattresses that you let breathe or whatever it's called for 48 hours and it's magically good. It came in this box. Like, how did it fit in there? I don't know. Pretty cool. But yeah, I got dresser, nightstand under here. I got computer desk and a chair. So I'm gonna kind of unbox it, place it, then show you guys. But yeah, I'm hoping to get a lot of this done today because it's hot out there. I don't feel like going out today. I'm tired.
I like this parking lot so much more.
Alright.
So organized weird, but I like it.
Rotoval complete. Let's do it. Alright, I just left Discount Tire. Had to get the old truck updated. Do a little rotoval, if you guys even know what that is. But yeah, I bought some rocks today for the fish tank. I bought the fish tank yesterday. And some plants and like a little decor stuff. So I'm gonna be setting that up and I will show you how that turns out. But the tank I got is super cool, so I cannot wait to show you guys. Dude, this never gets old. Just like rolling up to like the Capitol building. It's so cool. Looks like it's about to rain though, so I better get back fast and get that stuff in the tank. Ah! Oh, I've got it 3/4 filled. And I am over here washing out the rocks. So I bought these from Home Depot. There's just like landscaping rocks, but if you wash them, they should be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna put these in and I'll show you that. Okay. So the room is pretty much done. So real quick, that's the bathroom. And just put a few things up on the wall. Eventually a TV's gonna go right there. I got an Xbox One. And yeah, this is kind of like my Nitro Circus VIP thing. Got to meet Travis Pastrana. That was pretty cool. Woodstock races. Got a gymnastics thing. But yeah, fish tank is done. The water cleared up. So I think it looks so sick. I cannot wait to get fish. I don't have fish yet. But yeah, if you can imagine like chilling out, that'd be a cool thing to watch. But yeah, it's perfect. It's sunlight from there. So that's pretty much all you needed. But yeah, this is like my shoes, fishing pole. This is for like the fish stuff, fish food. It's my little collection of watches. So yeah, that's pretty much the room. Yo, Dom, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Dude, how long did you drive to get here?
Dude, fucking 6 hours. Bullshit.
Dude, we're gonna show you, I wanna show you guys, alright, outside of the apartment.
That's the move.
Let's see.
You got JB playing in the background,
Oh,
dude. It's
shit.
fucking lit.
So there you go, this is our outside of the apartment. Pretty cool.
Got a drug deal going on over